Okay, here we have an acid burn on the glass. I'm sure you can see that. And so what we're gonna do, so you can see it all over right here, is we're gonna take the polisher. This is the polisher I was talking about, the pad. It's a 3M pad with the microfiber top. So let me get going on it and I will show you the rest of this. I don't know if you can see now, but I used the cerium oxide right there, polished it, went over about 3 or 4 times just right there. Let's see. So you can see the difference of where the acid burn is and then where the polish works. So what we do is we mix it up in a spray bottle like this and keep it shook up, spray it directly on the pad, not much, and then just polish. The final product, there is no acid burn in the glass. Let's pop it in.